Hi, so we've actually gone a little bit further, and now we're at the actual entrance of the tunnel. This is where they started doing the blasting. It's going to be about 1,000 feet through the tunnel. You can actually see the other end down below, but we're heading inside the tunnel now, flashlight handy. Hi, so we've come in maybe a couple hundred feet into the tunnel, tunnel number 6. Monica can show you down here that there's a little river running through tunnel number 6. More water than I've seen ever when we've been in here. So definitely handy to have a flashlight and kind of stay to the sides. You can see the end of the tunnel up ahead. It's deceiving. It looks closer than it is, so we better keep going. So we stopped about halfway through the tunnel, and we want to check out the central shaft. The central shaft was a hole that was bored into the center of the tunnel. It was, at that time, solid rock, and they lowered men and equipment down through the central shaft, and then they also took out debris like the rock that they were blasting back up through the central shaft. So check this out. You can see the top up there. Oh, yeah. That's the cap. That's how tall, high up. That's how deep we are in the mountain. All solid granite. And we'll show you later the top of that outside. But they would use a donkey engine and lower men and equipment down here. And then once they got down here, one team would start drilling that direction. And then another team would start drilling that direction. And outside the mountain, there were 2 teams coming in toward the center. So we had 4 different crews working, drilling at the same time. So there is the central shaft. All right, so you just follow this little path past that silver odd-looking building. And here you can see our friends at the Donner Summit Historical Society got their sign up talking about the central shaft tunneling on. And here's the central shaft. After the railroad was completed, they put this big metal housing on top so that you wouldn't fall in. And there it sits since 1868. There was a donkey engine that they would park up here on the rock, and the donkey engine would power the hoist that would lift both men and equipment up and down through the shaft, but also as they were digging the rock out, they had to collect the rock, put it into a bucket, and have it brought out of the central shaft.